everyone, I'm Shivnath, and today I'll show you how to solve this 3 by 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. I'm going to scramble it and set a timer. It's all scrambled up now, and I'm going to set the timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes and counting.
Here's to complete a white side, and I'm going to do the rest. It's all solved now, and I'm going to stop the timer. Hey Siri, what does the timer say?
It's running at 25 seconds.
If you want to learn the algorithm I did to solve the Rubik's Cube, visit my blog. The link is down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Shivnath. Bye, and thank you for watching my video.